Hello all, today I am going to say about the advantages of Montessori methods and disadvantages of Montessori methods. In last video I had uploaded about what is Montessori method of teaching. So based on the Maria Montessori method of teaching, how the individual child is learning through some environment and also their sense learning activities. So here the advantages of Montessori methods are, the first one is sense training, where they learn through sense organs because the sense organs will give more and more inputs to the particular child. The child will learn more. Next one is the unique method of reading and writing. And next is learning through living, where they learn only the practical lessons. The practical lessons where the social values of the method will be implemented in each and every practical lessons. Next one is it provides hands-on learning where they learn through didactic apparatus. Next one is enhanced social interactions. Because of age mixing, mixed age group of each and every individual from 2 to 6 years of age, all type of children will learn in the same environment, where they learn from each and every individual will be different. Next one is the learning environment is suitable for all kind of children, and it develops soft skills where they learn through phonetic skills or as the language learning. Next one is it provides independence where they exercise the practical life. Next one is the disadvantages of Montessori methods, where here the mechanical and artificial nature of didactic apparatus is used. So this is one of the disadvantage we can say, because they only implement their educations through sensory and their muscular coordination, language development, etc. So that is their main focus. The next one is it emphasizes more on biological aspects than lesser than on psychological aspects. And next one is the belief in transfer of training through senses. They only believe through senses. So because of that, the biological aspects will improve, but their psychological things, for example, the reasoning for each and every activity must be learned. So that is a missing or is a disadvantage of this method. Next one is it neglects of the training of imagination. They doesn't imagine anything. Everything is given, the apparatus, the sense organs will work only through that apparatus. Beyond that, the imagination or the logical thinking or their cognitive skills will not be developed. So here the lack of suitable teachers. The first thing is the teacher should learn about that Montessori and their apparatus for given in that Montessori method. So the teachers must be trained. So because of that, there will be a lack of suitable teachers. Next one is little scope for project and correlations, which is depend on mechanical apparatus. So since it is depend on these type of apparatus, there is no projects or relations between each and every methods. Next one is it is very expensive. So what is the expensive means? They have to buy each and every apparatus because they have to buy each and every apparatus because it is very expensive, and also the small student community. Even though there are 2 to 6 years of age mixing children, the community of students will be very low. There is not enough opportunities, and there is independence is always not helpful in all the way. So these are all the disadvantages of Montessori methods. So in this video I had uploaded the advantage and disadvantages of Montessori methods. Thank you.